Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the Windows Update service is missing in the service manager on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. I'll show you guys how to fix it. You just need to go to search menu and type troubleshoot. Click on open it. Click on other troubleshooters. Select the Windows Update troubleshoot to run. After finishing this, close it off here. And now you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Click run as administrator and select yes guys. Now in the command prompt window, you just need to check my video description for this command used in my video. Copy it, tap the bar, right click, edit and paste it in, press enter. This is file checking utility scan guys. This will fix corrupted files in your computer. Being system scan, this process will take some time. Being verification phase of system scan, this verification 1% need to get 100% guys. So kindly please wait until this 100% done. After finishing this command, you just need to copy the second command and paste it in the same way. And after finishing the second command, you just need to go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, hopefully your issue has been resolved guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.